Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Roma bonded leather manager chair. Features. The Roma high-back leather-faced manager chair projects subtle elegance with its clean lines and Eames-inspired design. As well as being a popular manager's chair, Roma is also widely used in meeting and boardroom environments. The one-piece seat and backrest are nicely cushioned, and the chair is fully upholstered for an all-round luxurious feel. High backrest with lumber sculpture supports you as you sit, and the seat pad incorporates a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and aid circulation. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair, and by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair is supplied with elegant floating effect fixed height chrome armrests topped with arm pads for comfort. Roma is faced in soft touch bonded leather in classic black, subtle grey or modern white, with carefully matched vinyl back and sides for an all-round fully upholstered finish. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the chrome armrests and 5-star base. Roma is supplied with both twin-wheel casters or chrome glide feet depending on your requirements. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. It is tested and certified to EN 1335 standards for strength and stability, and so is suitable for commercial use. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852, Levels 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021, Parts 1 and 2. Roma comes complete with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.